All right, what's up, guys? So we are back with I don't know, maybe we'll make this kind of a weekly thing or just a consistent thing of cooking, making. Today we're gonna be baking, so we'll call it in the kitchen with Tag or something like that. I don't know. We'll find a better name. But today we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes, one of my favorite foods to eat, and that is banana bread. So this is gonna be like a cinnamon banana bread. Whenever you get you don't eat your bananas fast enough, they get a little bit overripe, and then they make perfect bananas for banana bread. So we're gonna make some banana bread. So I got the oven preheating right now to 350. So again, this is banana bread. It's all real ingredients. Not a bunch of crap. You get this stuff at the store. Tastes good, but you feel like crap afterwards. So we're gonna make it where it tastes good and you feel good. So I like to line my pan. So I got my bread pan here. Line it, just makes it less cleanup. So with that, we'll spray that down. Avocado oil in there. You can use coconut, you can use whatever. Again, these are the ingredients I will use. This banana bread is like super like moist. People don't like that word moist, but it's really like gonna be moist, gonna be not like dry. So usually it works out pretty much every time I do it. So again, you can change the ingredients, you can add different ingredients. Ooh, that's one thing I was gonna add in raisins this time too, so I think I'm gonna do that. So I got my banana, so we're gonna go 3 bananas. I'm gonna put them all in the KitchenAid, whatever, the blender thingamabob. Again, I am not super fancy. I am not a cooking master chef baker, whatever you want to call it. I am just a guy who likes to make his own food, because food from stores, food from restaurants, you don't know what they put in them. Usually they make me feel like crap, give me diarrhea. You don't want that. So we're gonna make our own. Something I've learned over the years. So 3 bananas, couple eggs. I'm gonna mix some more. Start with our wet ingredients first. Why do I like brown eggs? Because if you break the shells in them, it's easier to find. And the only real difference between white and brown eggs are just the type of chicken they come from. So then we're gonna go 2/3 cup. Our sweetener, rather than just regular sugar, we're gonna go maple syrup. So pure maple syrup. So we're gonna go 2/3 cup. That in there. And we're gonna blend this up a little bit. KitchenAid blender here. And just blend it up. Blend these up first. Then we'll put in the dry ingredients. All right, so nice and smooth there, liquidy. So this video does not probably look super high quality like all your favorite cooks, Instagram influencers, YouTube influencers, but I don't care. I'm not professional at all. I am high quality in content, high quality in the results I will help you get. High quality food, but whatever. We're not, we're more raw and uncut as far as that. So we're gonna go with our dry ingredients. We got a half a cup of almond flour, just regular old Aldi's almond flour. Put that in. We're gonna go a full cup, whatever other, just a regular. We're gonna go whole wheat flour. You can go whatever you want. You could use like an all-purpose flour, I don't know, different kinds. It might not. I found this works the best typically most of the time for that flavor, so it's not overly dry. So we got the whole wheat flour, a cup of that. We're gonna go a tablespoon of baking powder. Tablespoon. And then we're gonna put cinnamon. We're gonna go cinnamon and monk fruit extract. So I've done it before where I've made like this, as the oven's done preheating, where it's like a crunchy crisp on the top. So I'll put a little bit of cinnamon in the actual mixture. But then I'm also gonna, once it's like kind of partially way through baked, I'm gonna mix these two together in a bowl and kind of sprinkle it on top so you get a little bit of crunchy cinnamon sweetness on top with the monk fruit extract. I bought the regular real extract with the no erythritol or tall, whatever it is. Just plain monk fruit extract, not anything else added into it. So we'll mix those together. We'll put those in partially when it's partially baked. Then I said I was gonna do some raisins. I've never done it with raisins, but it sounded good, so we're gonna sprinkle in a few raisins here. Just to give it a little bit more. No specific measurement on those. Just get some raisins. You could do chocolate chips. You could do, I don't know, some other nuts or something like that. Play around with it. Have fun. That's the best thing about cooking your own food. It's just like training. It's an experiment. Sometimes it turns out crappy. Sometimes you burn it. Sometimes it actually turns out into a masterpiece. So. Blend it up, we'll pour it in and then bake it for have a spatula because sometimes it doesn't always get stuck on the sides there, so make sure you use up all of it. All right, then we'll pour it in to our pan. Ah, crap. Sometimes you miss the pan or miss the... Tastes good. All right, I'm gonna put it in. Let it bake for an hour or so. Then like 20 minutes in or so, I'll probably take it out, put some cinnamon, cinnamon in the monk fruit mixture, sprinkle that on top to give it a little crunch, little cinnamony toast crunch type thing on top. So now we just wait until that, and then we take it out and enjoy it. Alright, so I'm going to take it out and sprinkle this cinnamon monk fruit extract mixture on the top. You can use regular sugar too. I've used like coconut sugar in the past. Get a little bit more crunch because it's like bigger. I don't know, what do you call them? Crystals, sugar crystals, kernels, whatever. But then we'll put this back in for the remaining time and there we go. Let's see how much we've done today. Test it out a little bit. Oh yeah, not even close. It's looking good. Now let's let it cool off and we're able to enjoy it. So that is the cinnamon crisp banana bread from Tag Performance and Nutrition. Be athletic for life. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more Cooking with Trevor in the Kitchen with Tag. I don't know, that's probably not the working title, but we'll go with it for now.